Welcome to RCindustry.
Hey, it's Rick here. Well, we're gonna give old Blackie a maiden voyage here, I guess. Take this thing and run her out to the dump one time. Zach's got some stuff he needs to throw away. So you just will come along for the ride. See what adventures we get into. Oh, I guess I better text him and tell him we're coming. Alright, show you more. Alright, let's get this junk loaded up. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with them up there. I mean, they pick up trash in their dumpsters that have mattresses in them, and they crush them down, but they won't let you take a mattress out there. And I don't know, I don't understand the Democrat thinking on that. So
yeah, it doesn't make sense.
No.
Will they take those?
Yeah, they'll take that. Yeah, you'd think they wouldn't take electronics, but so yeah, so we'll cut this up and put it in a trash bag, and then we'll stick it in the dumpster when we get out there.
Just thinking here.
Oh yeah, I see it's got a... You can save this for when the mother-in-law comes.
The mother-in-law?
Yeah, then she can sleep on
This is too good for the mother-in-law. Doesn't work.
Well, she'll only be watching it on YouTube.
So this should be easier to... Oh, damn. Thought that was Miranda's or something.
Okay, so if we just cut this into like 4 pieces, but I don't know if my knife's sharp enough.
No, you're fine.
You may have to get your chainsaw out.
No, you're fine.
Oh, that's tough.
Just give me a second.
There we go. Oh, it's ripping right up. Let's get some trash bags.
Is it seriously?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Just rip it. Just don't hurt yourself. Thanks, sorry. I thought they would just take the mattress, but...
Now it's trash, so they'll take it now.
Right, that makes sense.
Well, you know, they're only as good as the laws that they have to abide by. And, you know, them people we vote for and put in office up there that are supposed to work for us, they're the ones that come up with these weird, stupid rules. And of course, they don't have to abide by them.
Yeah, exactly, right.
We got our new air fryer delivered today, and I just called about it yesterday. So they were real good. They warranted it. And while I was on the phone with them, I was reading everything, and I'm like, oh yeah, well, this came from China. But they warranted it and everything.
Yeah.
But the lady told me, she said, we don't want it back. She said, dispose of it in a proper and environmentally friendly way.
That's weird.
So I'm gonna take it to the dump. That's the only environmentally friendly way I
I
know.
was out on water pays out those $20.
Heck yeah, I'll let somebody else dispose of it.
They're trying to fix it if it's winter or something.
Well, and you know, you probably, maybe a fella could fix it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but no more than we ever used it. I mean, I bet we didn't use it a dozen times. Okay, there you go. Let's stuff that in there. Well, it'll let out. This will let out. You can gain 300 or 400 pounds right there by letting that out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, gas is really going up. I have to burn recreational gas in this, and it's up to $4.20.
Kerosene?
No, recreational gas.
Where do you get that at?
Well, there's gas stations that have it. There's the Marathon or whatever here, or Sunoco or Sunco or something's got it.
They won't work on 87?
Well, the carburetor and stuff is not made for ethanol gas,
Oh, wow.
and you can't use alcohol in it. Gums everything up, causes it all to leak.
$4 a gallon or something?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I put 5 gallons in it a while ago. It was 21 something. And of course, I had to put the lead additive in it too because there's no lead in the gas, and the valve train in this requires lead. So these toys are kind of expensive. Oh shit! I better not be getting it too bad. I forgot about all the junk in the back. Yeah, I don't know if that beer looks good, but it don't adjust too good.
It looks good from here. If you go on eBay, you can get 8-track players for like these vehicles for like $20.
Yeah, I want to get one. It needs an 8-track, and I need a couple of 6x9s to put behind the seat. But then I'll have to get some 8-tracks because I sold them all. I don't have any.
I know, right?
Yeah, they tore that house down and filled the basement in.
Yeah, I saw that. That was crazy.
I didn't think it was that bad of a house, but apparently they wanted the lot instead of the house.
Yeah.
Come on, Bessie, let's get up here.
Does it already have speakers built in?
No, there's no speakers. There's a speaker grill up here, but there's no speaker in it. See if they got their sign about that. Yeah, see, I think it's no mattresses, no tires, no TVs. Well, we don't have any of those things.
Yeah. I would never let my wife drive this because there's no whole shit handle for me to hold on to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, do you have to tell them you live around here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, when you pay, they may ask you what county you're from, because you have to pay tax.
Oh.
Got to weigh, and then we'll go dump the trash bags off the container over there.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll drive up to the dump. This is where you throw the trash bags. And they've got a mattress in there. But it says right on there it's not that they won't take. I don't know. You figure it out. I can't. Hell, this is a landfill, not a recycling center.
You know, well, half of the shit that gets recycled gets shipped to China. China would probably just, hold on, my seatbelt's trapped in the door. There you go. And China just dumps it in the ocean, apparently.
Yeah, I mean, they don't have to abide by anything.
Yeah.
They just do what they want over there. Here generation of the weasel duck or some stupid thing like that.
Yeah. So this used to be a huge valley, huh?
Yeah, this was a big valley.
Wow.
Kind of like the one Barbara Stanwyck, was in, big valley. Feels like we're dragging some.
Really? Maybe it's just a road.
Huh?
Maybe it's just a gravel road.
It could be. Alright, once we pull up on here, just get out and go pay.
Oh, okay. Right now?
Yeah, you just go up to that window. Looks all right for the maiden voyage there. Okay, well the old girl made it. So, thanks for coming along and watching. Be sure and like and share. We're up to 215 subscribers now. So, anyway, I guess I could show you. I don't think I showed you this. I did weld up those fender deletes that were installed on this thing. So, anyway. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.